The PROXXON battery-powered industrial drill grinder, IBS-A, is the universal talent from the PROXXON battery-powered device series. Ideal for drilling, milling, grinding, polishing, brushing, rust removal, engraving, separating, and much more. A wide range of materials such as steel, non-ferrous metal, glass, wood, minerals and ceramics can be machined anywhere and at any time. Without annoying cables and with maximum spatial flexibility. Ideal for outdoor use in trade and industry, and wherever maximum performance and precision are required, but a cable would only be a hindrance. Stationary work, for example in the workshop, is also possible, of course. Thanks to the 20mm fit at the front end of the device, the IBS-A can be operated, for example, in a drill stand, or together with other useful PROXXON system accessories. The quiet, finely balanced DC motor, with permanent magnet technology, and up to 23,000 revolutions per minute, has a powerful torque, whilst offering highest running smoothness. And with the infinitely variable electronic speed control, adaptation to different materials is child's play for the wide variety of tasks. The double spindle bearing with precision ball bearings in the solid carefully machined device head, made of solid die-cast aluminium, ensures perfect concentricity, highest concentric accuracy, exact centric colic holder, smooth and nearly vibration-free running, and the proverbial durability are the results of our extensive efforts. The compact and stable housing consists of glass fiber reinforced polyamide and has a non-slip yellow soft component on the underside. You can turn the IBS-A as you like. The ergonomics are perfect in every position. High-quality bits and cutters are well guided by tempered precision steel collets. These have complex triple slit to clamp the shafts perfectly centrically. Careful hardening ensures that the high clamping force is maintained even after prolonged use. Even the utilized battery technology is the finest. Powerful lithium-ion storage batteries with a formidable 2.6 ampere-hour capacity at a voltage of 10.8 volts, guarantee high performance and long period of use even in the most demanding applications. However, what use is the best industrial grinder without the best tools? We have a wide range of industrial quality products for every application. This guarantees first-class results and a long service life, even in industrial applications. The scope of delivery also includes a substantial selection. 34 bits and cutters are included in the practical and elegant plastic case, plus 6 steel collets for different diameters, and the IBS-A with lithium-ion battery and charger. Practical. Battery and charger must be used for all PROXXON battery-powered devices. This allows uninterrupted work with several batteries without any problems. If one battery is in use, another is charged and is ready for operation again after approximately 1 hour. An invaluable advantage, especially for the commercial sector. Of interest for customers who already have a PROXXON rechargeable battery device, the IBS A is also available without battery and charger. The battery-powered industrial grill grinder IBS A, a strong solution provider for trade and industry. One of 6 PROXXON battery-powered devices made in Europe. A system together. PROXXON. Tools with character.